Tired of Webflow code that looks like a digital Jackson Pollock painting? Let's tame that beast with Webflow DevLink. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the project's settings. Look for the Integrations tab on the left-hand side menu. Scroll down until you find the Webflow DevLink section here. You'll see a button to connect to DevLink. Click it, and you'll be prompted to either create a new DevLink project or connect to an existing one. Let's create a new project. Give it a descriptive name related to your Webflow project. This will help you stay organized. Then, select the environment you want to export your code to. This could be local development or a staging environment. Once connected, DevLink automatically fetches your Webflow design. Now, you can customize the code structure, class names, and even add custom attributes directly within the DevLink interface. This ensures the code you export is clean and developer-friendly. For example, you can configure how Webflow classes are converted into your preferred CSS methodology, like BM or Suit CSS. Also, you can exclude specific elements or pages from the code export, giving you precise control. Finally, choose your export destination. DevLink supports various options, including downloading a zip file, pushing directly to a Git repository, or using the DevLink CLI for automated workflows. By integrating DevLink into your workflow, designers and developers can collaborate seamlessly, ensuring efficient handoff and a consistently clean code base. Now go forth and make beautiful, readable code.